Hello, my name is Kimmy Chen, Director of Immigration at Lehman Bush Wealth Management. Today, we are talking about the national strategy Diversified Foods Group implements when rolling out a fast food franchise brand across the United States. Diversified Foods Group focuses on secondary markets across the United States when establishing a new fast food franchise brand nationally. This ensures the brand has time to grow without directly competing against more global brands. The major city centers of the United States are saturated with globally recognized fast food franchise brands, which is why Diversified Foods Group specifically targets secondary markets. These are trendy city suburban communities with a smaller population. These local markets are spread across the United States. They are too small for a McDonald's or Starbucks, but have a wealthy population. The combination of less competition with other fast food franchises and an affluent population means a Diversified Foods Group franchise thrives. This strategy has helped Diversified Foods Group maintain a successful track record for decades. When it comes to working in the fast food franchise business, Diversified Foods Group knows what it takes to build a successful business. Get in touch today and learn how Diversified Foods Group can help you start your own franchise.